banana peppers. No sunglasses today because I applied blue mascara. Can you tell that it's blue? I don't know why today I was like, oh, my makeup should be blue. But I have on blue mascara, and can you tell that the eyebrows are supposed to be blue? I can't. I don't know that I can tell. Also, maybe this is still shockingly bright for me. I don't know. But today we are going to open up this month's Doki crate. I'm actually doing it in the month that it belongs in. Maybe I'm always good about that on this channel. I don't know. I feel like on Graveyard Girl, first of all, somebody like chewed on this one just a little bit, but I feel like on Graveyard Girl I always think about doing Sephora Play and Birchbox like after, like the month after, and then I'm like, oh, I should have done that, yet I didn't do it. Let's hope no sad raccoons this time. Tell me, is there a sad raccoon? It looks like not. So we have this, which I'm not gonna open because it will ruin all of the surprises. But the very first thing I see on top, oh my gosh. Wait, is this the only one that I'm missing? No, I think this is the one I have. Crazy. Okay, you guys, the first item I actually have already. So I'm gonna put this one in a giveaway for you guys because these are so adorable. I got this one off of Yes Style, which you guys know I talk about that site all the time because that's where I get all my K-Beauty, J-Beauty things, and my little kawaii things like this. You know what? I will just leave this one wrapped up since I'm gonna keep it for the giveaway. But it is Pom Pom Pearland, which I just found out he's a golden retriever, but he is one of my favorite of all time Sanrio characters. But they came out with these little retro cups that are supposed to kind of have like an 80s 90s feel, so he's skateboarding, but then the inside is really cute because it has a bunch of designs as well. And I love that. I always love when there's like little mugs or cups or whatever and they don't just like make the inside white or whatever. So very cute. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna kill me because I don't even, now I feel like I should open it because I don't 100% know what this is. Oh, but there's a hang tag, so that's hopeful. Okay, so I thought it was like a Pokeball, but I don't know why there's a W on it. What does that mean? Somebody tell, oh my gosh, or is it an M? Because now this looks like the top because that's where the zipper is, but it's just a little pouch. And it's pretty cute. I don't know why my first thought was you could put your CDs inside of it. Like literally, like I don't even think like Best Buy and places like stores don't even sell CDs anymore. Like just Walmart, that's it. It's the last of a dying empire. But it is a little ball chain keychain pouch. I'm gonna put that in the giveaway as well. All right. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I am living for this box. This one's gonna be my favorite one of all time. This must be a Sanrio special, which I just love pretty much all things Sanrio. So the next thing that we got is a little Bats Maru coin purse, and it's so cute. Isn't the seal's name Hannah Maru? I think so. But it's pretty cool. It's like a neoprene. It feels like a scuba suit is what I'm thinking of. Oh my gosh, what year was it when everything was like scuba suit was like the trend? There was like jackets and shoes and everything was made out of this like scuba material, but this is so cute. Up next, I can't remember this guy's name, which is gonna drive me crazy now. I'm gonna have to open it. I think it starts with a P as well. Let's see. Tuxedo Sam. Not even close to anything. It starts with a P. But it's a little Tuxedo Sam plushie keychain, and he is so adorable. I'm so glad it's him and not a sad raccoon. But I love stuff like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Up next. Ew, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it up just because I want to see what the whole thing is going to look like. It's a picnic sheet. So it's like a little picnic blanket, but it's little twin stars, and I love the little twin stars. But it's coated, so I feel like even if you spilled a little bit of food or whatever on it, you could just wipe it up, fold it up, and use it again. But oh my gosh, you guys, I love little twin stars. So cute. Do you have a favorite Sanrio character? If you do, let me know. I would love to know. I'm trying to, my favorite Sanrio character is probably Karopi. But I feel like I love so many of these other little guys too. We have one thing left, and I don't know if it's a magazine or a coloring book. Oh, it's a coloring book. That is so cute. So there are a ton of Sanrio characters on the cover of this one. Oh my god, I love Hangyoudon as well, and Monchichi. These are like all my freaking favorites. Oh my gosh. When I was in high school, I loved My Melody. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay, these are the only ones I don't know. Who are these guys, and why is he frowning? Turn that frown upside down. They're like cavemen. I've never seen that. You guys know I'm always saying, oh look, it's Karopi. So it's just a cute little coloring book. This is adorable. I wish I still used coloring books as much as I did a couple of years ago. I really did get into the like adult coloring where they had all those like designs and everything. I don't know why I stopped doing that, but I should go back to doing it again. But this is just absolutely adorable. I'm so excited for this. So this one has definitely been my favorite Doki Doki crate of all time. I also love the interior. I feel like I do love the inside every single time, but I don't feel like it normally looks like this, because this is so cute. Once again, it's like so 90s looking, right? And you can turn these things inside out and reuse the boxes for other purposes that you... Wait, is this video only 6 minutes long? Is this gonna be the shortest video of all time? But you can like fold these around. I'm gonna try and do it really quick since this video has only been 6 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's like 7 in the morning right now, so I'm totally going to oh, you know what? You know why I shouldn't keep this one? Because there's the freaking toothy marks on the top of the box. But I think I'm actually going to film an outfit of the day today. Or not necessarily like an outfit of the day, but I'm gonna try and do like one of those like lookbook videos again, where I'm gonna try and film like 5 days of outfits. Let me put that on the inside because it's got my address. Well, look, I can just show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, you can totally reuse them, and it's super easy to do. So now I could like, yay! I mean, I feel like I can still use it even with the toothy mark on the top. And now this is the inside, so it's not dirty. Yes, gratifying. So those are the plans. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna get my morning tea. I'm gonna probably film a portion of an outfit of the day, 1/5 of an outfit of the week lookbook. What am I trying to say? And then I don't know if I'm gonna get a video up on Graveyard Girl today or not, you guys. Yesterday was like one of those like discouraging days, which it's getting better, and now I feel that it's like, I don't know, kind of been more addressed by like the entire community, that they just don't show you guys our videos anymore. It's a lot easier for me to swallow, but it still is just like kind of wah wah, you know what I mean? But whatever, not gonna let it bother me. But I don't know, it's a bummer either way. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my gosh, if we could bring the old internet back, I would be so thrilled, but those days are gone, never to happen again. So I just might as well, like, you know, ship up, shape out, shape up, ship out, whichever way I'm supposed to say that phrase. But I don't know, it's just, it always like sucks because I feel like the videos that do the worst are like oftentimes like some of my favorite videos, or where I'm just having like a really good time and I'm like, oh dang. But now I don't even think it has anything to do with you guys anymore. It's just not the way. It just wasn't my day to have like my video actually on YouTube for all intents and purposes. Do you know what I mean? Now I'm getting into the crazy stuff, but yeah, I don't know. It feels like less out of my control now, I guess, which is like what, you know, stresses me out about it less, I guess you could say. Does any of this make any sense? I should have stopped 6 minutes ago. But today's video is super short, but thank you guys for hanging out. And if you do want to know when I upload, maybe hit the notification bell, hit subscribe. I'm very excited. We are almost close to 500,000 banana peppers on this channel, which is just so crazy. I'm so glad. I don't know, I'm so happy with how everything is going here, right? Because once again, I say it in every video, you guys, the community on this little channel is so strong. It feels so good. It does feel like the old days of the internet here, but just because I feel like, for whatever reason, I don't know why, like I feel like we're more in sync here. Am I just saying the same thing in every single video? Also, let me know if you can tell my eyebrows are blue. And oh my gosh, I don't even want to say it because it's just more like future video speculation, but I'm gonna try and film it today because I thought of a makeup challenge that I don't think has ever been done before, and I'm excited to maybe have like a shred of originality of something that I can say I thought of myself. So exciting things going on here today. But I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow's video is going to be, but we're going to do it together. We're going to find out what's going to happen. I hope I can keep uploading here every day, unless you guys think it's too much. Is it too much? I don't know. I know a lot of you guys just love to come here and kind of like hang out, chill out, decompress, not stress out about anything, and just kind of like hang out. So I don't know. I'm gonna go. I love you guys, and stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery, and I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow.